Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive overview of Payroll4free.com, a fantastic platform designed to help small businesses manage their payroll needs efficiently and at no cost. Payroll4free.com is a user-friendly online solution that caters primarily to small businesses looking for a straightforward way to handle payroll without breaking the bank. A great point to mention is that their basic payroll services are completely free for up to 25 employees, which is incredibly valuable for startups and small enterprises. This includes unlimited payroll runs, direct deposit, and access to paycheck stubs. If your business exceeds 25 employees, they offer an affordable plan starting at just $15 per month for up to 50 employees, making it a cost-effective choice even as your company grows. The website's interface is intuitive, allowing users to navigate seamlessly through various features, including payroll calculations, tax filings, and employee management. Additionally, Payroll4free ensures compliance with tax regulations, drastically reducing the headache often associated with payroll taxes. Furthermore, Payroll4free provides detailed reports that can help business owners track expenses, payroll history, and employee contributions, allowing for more strategic financial planning. In terms of support, they offer resources and FAQs to help users troubleshoot common issues and make the most out of the platform. So if you're a small business owner looking for an affordable and effective way to manage your payroll, be sure to check out Payroll4free.com. If you found this overview helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.